For our FRC internal hip rotation, I'd like you to get into the following position. So this is called a 90-90. I've created 90 degrees in the front leg, 90 degrees in the back leg. If this is uncomfortable for you as it is, I want you to elevate your hips up a little bit higher onto a block or a pillow or something else that's comfortable for you. From here, you're going to sit up nice and tall, and you're actually going to rotate your torso towards this back knee. You might not get as far as I'm getting, depending on the level of rotation you have there. It might be that you're a little bit more forward facing. So go as far as you can, and then you're just going to passively stretch here for 2 minutes. So you're going to relax and hold this position for 2 minutes. And I would record this on your watch or on your phone. After that 2 minutes, we're going to do something called PAILS, which is progressive angular isometric loading. And what that's going to involve is driving this foot down into the floor. You're going to progressively ramp up over the course of 15 seconds, driving it down as hard as you can until you're at kind of a maximal state of contraction. So driving hard down to the ground for 15 seconds, the whole body should be kind of tensed up at this point and involved in this action. Once you have performed that for 15 seconds, you're going to do the reverse of that, which is the rails contraction, the regressive angular isometric loading. So what you're going to do is attempt to raise this ankle up. It's really not going to move, trust me, but there's going to be a lot happening with regards to your internal hip rotation right in the socket. So I want you to try to pull that off the ground. You will feel that sensation on the inside of your hip for 15 seconds. We're going to contract. It almost might feel like it wants to cramp. If it does, come out of that position for a second, shake it off, and then see if you can go back there. So radiating, full contraction, driving the foot up this time, 15 seconds, relax, and now what we're going to do is we're going to try to turn the body a little bit further into that newfound range, okay, which is really minimal. It happens over a long period of time, those changes, but you are going to be able to increase your rotation to some extent here. So again, sitting in this newfound range, I've turned into this foot a little bit more, and I'm going to hold here for another 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to repeat that same sequence over again. 15 seconds down, 15 seconds up, relax, turn into that newfound range.